How's it going, everybody? Animal Crossing day today. Gonna head to the shops and go and pick up my copy of Animal Crossing New Horizons. Gonna bring it home, check it out, hopefully do a bit of gameplay for it. Let's go to the local GameStop. Let's go check it out. I think this can get some use today. It's me, Mario. All right, let's go to GameStop. Just arrived at the GameStop now. Just gonna go head in and see if they have any copies left. Hopefully they still have copies left. It's a little bit past launch and sometimes they sell out. So let's go and check it out. Here we go. I was really lucky. This is actually the last one that they have. So I'm just going to go to the counter now and hopefully ring it up. Good price as well. The Nook edition. Who would have thought? Oh, hey, just want to pick up this copy of Animal Crossing, please. What do you mean that's $500? It says on the price, it's only $59. Jeez, man, okay. Whoa, we don't want any trouble. Look, just take my money. Take all my money, okay? Well, that didn't go according to plan. This GameStop is super weird. I got to get out of here. This isn't good. Okay, now we're home. Can't wait to check out the my new copy of Animal Crossing New Horizons. Let's get started. Oh, great day for fishing, ain't it? That's a big one. The good Nook knows how to catch bugs with the net, eh? Oh, so hot. Cowabunga, Nook. Tom Nook, sir. It's so hot! It's Tom Nook. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Look what I've done for you people. I'm a Nook boy. I'm Nook! Nook in a tent. It's like 30 degrees today in Sydney. What other stuff does Tom Nook do? He shakes trees, right? They shake trees. It's so hot being Nook. It's really hot. Need a bigger tree. Bigger tree. Oh god. Give me your money, I'm Tom Nook. Lemon tree Lemon out of a gumnut tree. Animal Crossing. Animal Crossing! Animal Crossing! I'm a Nook!
Hey!
It's okay. I'm a YouTuber, just Tom Nook. I love Animal Crossing. I'm a Nook. I'm a Nook. Oh, this is easily the worst thing I've ever done. It's so hot. I'm an Animal Crossing. See, I'm an Animal Crossing. Tom Nook. Tom Nook works out. Buff Nook. Oh, I think I've been unemployed too long. I need a job. I need a job desperately. Nook boy. Don't buy the Nook edition of Animal Crossing. But buy Animal Crossing. It's fun. Just not the Nook edition. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. Please like and subscribe. I'm an Animal Crossing Nook boy. I don't even know. I'll see you in the next video. Oh, this is easily one of the dumbest things I've done. Comment down below if you want to see my Tom Nook cosplay tutorial. And I could do another video showing you how to dress up as Tom Nook. God damn it. The Nook. Just another day at the office.